In today's video, I will teach you how to enlarge images without losing quality in Gimp. Let's get started. If you've ever grappled into resizing images without losing quality, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process using Gimp, a free and powerful alternative to Photoshop. Follow these steps and you'll be resizing your images like a pro in no time. Upon opening Gimp, locate the top menu bar. Then hover over the image, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Scale Image from the options. After selecting Scale Image, a dialog box will pop up. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can input the new dimensions for your image. For this tutorial, we'll focus on increasing the size. An optional step is switching to inches. If you are more comfortable with inches than pixels, then no worries. Click on the PX drop-down menu and switch to the inches for user-friendly dimension adjustments. Now we're going to input the new size and resolution values. Now comes the crucial part. Enter the desired size, either in pixels or inches, and watch your image transform. Let's say your original image is 200 by 200 pixels and you want to double it. So input 400 by 400 and you're set. Now we're going to edit quality through interpolation. Interpolation might sound complex, but fear not. Gimp uses this process to create new pixel information, preventing pixelation when enlarging images. You have two excellent options. Cubic option or bicubic, which delivers top-notch quality but requires more processing time. Or the sync option, which uses advanced mathematical functions for exceptional interpolation. And for the moment of truth, click the scale button and your larger image is ready. Feel free to repeat this process for multiple images, whether for blog posts, web pages, or any creative process. And now you've successfully resized an image without losing quality using Gimp. No need to worry about the stretched or pixelated visuals on your website. Having high-quality, properly sized images is a crucial step in your online success. With this newfound knowledge, you can save both money and headaches by passing the need for expensive software. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.